organelles. Cell organelles are different parts which are present in the cytoplasm. As I told you, in our body different organs are present like heart, lungs, kidneys, eyes, ear, all these are different organs, or you can say body parts. And these body parts, these organs perform their specific function. Similarly, in the cell, which is a single cell, which is microscopic unit, it also have little structures which are freely suspended in its cytoplasm. These are called cell organelles. And each organelle is specialized to perform their particular function. In today's video, we are going to study in detail one such organelle which is called endoplasmic reticulum. Also, it is written as ER. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of membrane-bound tubes. Endoplasmic reticulum is present outside nucleus, means it is having connection with the nuclear envelope. So first look at the diagram, then we will study in detail its functions. See, nucleus, which is double membrane-bound structure. It is central in position. It is spherical. Okay, we are not going to make nucleus in detail, but just outer covering, that is nuclear envelope we need to make, because endoplasmic reticulum is having connection with nuclear envelope. So this is outer membrane, that is nuclear membrane, that is nuclear envelope, which is double membrane bound structure. To it, endoplasmic reticulum is attached. As I told you, it is a network of membrane bound tubes which are having connection with nucleus. So this is, at other places also you can make the same. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is present just outside the nucleus, attached to the nuclear membrane. It is network of tubes. Okay. So this is endoplasmic reticulum, which is having connection with nuclear envelope. This endoplasmic reticulum, basically, it is not wrong if we say it is a circulatory system of the cell. As in our body, circulatory system is there, which has heart, blood vessels and blood, which circulate material within the body. And similarly, endoplasmic reticulum performs same function, that is, it helps in the circulation of substances from the nucleus to the cytoplasm, or from within the cytoplasm, transportation of substances takes place with the help of endoplasmic reticulum. That's why it is also called circulatory system of the cell. It is having connection with nuclear envelope on one side, and other side it is having connection with plasma membrane. And this endoplasmic reticulum, it is similar in structure like plasma membrane. Okay. Now, endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. First one is SER, other one is RER. Now, what is the full form of SER and RER? SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum. See why this name is given? Because when it is observed, endoplasmic reticulum, which looks smooth, means it just looks like this. It is not having anything attached to it. But rough endoplasmic reticulum, it shows little ball-like structures attached to it. These are actually ribosomes. What are these? Ribosomes. These ribosomes are present on rough endoplasmic reticulum. When it is observed, due to these ribosomes, due to these little balls, endoplasmic reticulum, which give rough appearance, rough look, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And I would like to tell you, these ribosomes help in the synthesis of proteins. Okay. Now, Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is called smooth because it looks smooth in structure. It is not having those little balls, these ribosomes attached to it. Now, before studying the detailed functions, we are going to study difference in smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is having ribosomes attached on its outer surface. It has ribosomes attached to its outer surface. But smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it looks smooth because it is not having ribosomes attached to it. So here, no ribosomes are attached. And rough endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in the synthesis of proteins. It synthesizes proteins, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is specialized to synthesize lipids and steroids like cholesterol, steroids, lipids. These are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It synthesizes lipids and steroids. Now, where these two types of endoplasmic reticulums are present? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is present in abundance in pancreatic cells and in antibodies. It is present in pancreatic cells and antibodies. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is present in liver. It is present in abundance in liver. Okay, students, now we are going to study in detail functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, first of all, it provides supporting skeletal framework of the cell. As we have skeletal system in the body, similarly same skeletal framework is provided by endoplasmic reticulum to the cell. Next, it provides pathway for the distribution of nuclear material from one cell to another cell. So it is a channel, it is a pathway which distributes materials, nuclear material from one cell to another cell. Next, it is also concerned with the transportation of proteins which are synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are synthesized by ribosomes attached on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in detoxification of different substances like whatever, like drugs, aspirin, pollutants which enters our body through air, water, or which are taken, some medicines which are taken. To cancel its toxic effect, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays very important role. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum also plays crucial role in synthesis of lipids, steroids and cholesterol. Last one, rough endoplasmic reticulum help in synthesis of lysosomal enzymes. Lysosome is one of the very important cell organelle. Enzyme which is stored in it, which is enclosed by lysosomes, that is also synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum. I hope these functions of endoplasmic reticulum and structure and difference in smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum is clear to you. Thank you very much for watching and catch you soon in the next video.